Hello and welcome to the littleGasthaus. Today I make very quick breakfast with a waffle iron. Let's see how it's done. You take a good spoon of the meat and make a hearty. Press down once and let it sit. So take an egg, scramble that a little bit. It's too big. It doesn't look too good. This must be a big egg. Okay. Breakfast. Okay, here we got the meats. That's pork belly, and this is pork shoulder. Together it's about 1 kilo, so that's 2.2 pounds of meat. So first we have to mix the meat with the spices. Meat is cold, it's not frozen. We use the hand grinder today. Black pepper, myron, ginger, mace, and regular salt, table salt. So I'm going to mix this. I'm using the hand grinder with a 3mm plate. So that was it. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumb up if you did. If you didn't, write me a comment. Let me know what was wrong or whatever. Maybe you got some other idea how to do it. I see you back next time in the littleGasthaus. Bye bye.